Mamshis, mag-cook tayo ng broccoli today and sayote. Pero two separate, separate yung sayote vegetable and let's prepare and the broccoli. Let's prepare for Sunday lang. Prepare na natin ang ating cauliflower, chickens, sibuyas and bawang, or separate sayote, chicken din. Lagyan natin ng carrots and kamatis. Garlic salt lang tayo today. Mamshis, magisa na natin yung ating sibuyas, bawang, and chicken for our broccoli. This one is for our sayote. Mas malaking lalagyan niya versus sayote. Lagyan na rin natin yung chicken for our sayote. Lagyan natin ng water both para maluto yung chicken before natin lagay ang vegetables natin. I forgot the kamatis para sa ating. Lagay na lang natin. We forgot the kamatis for the sayote. Nakalimutan natin kamatis. Hinalo na lang natin. So yan, nalagay na natin yung sayote. I think dapat ilagay ko na rin yung broccoli. Lagay na natin all the vegetables. Sayote, kamatis, carrots, the chicken, and here yung ating broccoli and chicken. Lagyan na natin ng garlic salt for taste. Nilagyan din natin ang patis kanina yan. That's all the sangkap that we have for our vegetable this Sunday. Mamshi, for the whole week yan, hindi lang today, kaya madami na yung sinabay na natin lutuin. Luto ng ating gulay. Luto ng ating gulay, our broccoli and our sayote. Cheers! Enjoy lunch and dinner later. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video.